Hi guys, welcome back to another video with Kennethbever here. And today I'm going to be showing you how to draw this dog. It's really easy, and I taught myself how to do it. So I'm going to teach you how to draw it. Let me just erase it. Give me a second. Alright, so now once the board is clear, I'm going to be showing you how to draw it. Let me just open it. Alright. Okay, so first you're gonna draw the body. Yeah, like in the center. Right, the line. And then you make the head. And make the line up. And no. Okay, make it like this inch. And then you're gonna make it ears. No. Sorry. You're gonna make it ears. Just like that. And then you make it a line. And then make another ear. Yeah. And then go straight down. Then once you're done that, you're gonna make the legs. So first, you're gonna make it this line. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, well first you're gonna make it like this line right here. And then once you're done that, you're gonna draw this up. And then add the line about 5/4 right here. And then do that same thing. Go straight down. And then make a line at the bottom. And go up. And then do the 5/4. And do that same thing. Now I'm gonna do the last one. Give me a second. Alright, so now once you're done that, you're gonna make the tail. So I'm gonna start from this line, like right here, and then go in front of it, and then make a line, and then go up, down, and then make it touch the line. I know it looks kind of bumpy. Let me just make it straight because I want it to look cute. Okay, it's much better. Okay? We're not done yet. We're gonna make the claws. So what you're gonna do in the first claw, you're gonna make 2 of them. 1, 2, just so you know. And then do the same thing to the other side. That's the claw right here. I'm gonna do it all 4 sides. And yeah. And now we're gonna do the face. Before we do the face, we're gonna make a collar. So what you're gonna do is start from this line like this, and then make a line, and then do the second row. Yeah, and just like that. And now I'm gonna put dots in it, just for it. No. What? I'm gonna put dots. Just like that. Okay, now we're gonna do the face. We're gonna draw. First, we're gonna draw 2 kind of big ears and kind of big eyes. So we're gonna draw it like And we're gonna make a circle, just like that. And do the same thing to the other side. Yeah, and then put a dot in each eyes. Yeah, and then you're gonna make the mouth. The mouth is happy, but what you're gonna do is like make a line. Yeah, and then you're gonna make a U, just like that. Now the tongue is like, you're gonna start from this side. You're gonna do it like that, and you're gonna color that in, and we're gonna make a teeth, make lines, and yeah. And then we're gonna do the ears. So you see how there's like a line above his eyes. We're gonna start from this and make a line. We're gonna do the same thing to the other side, just like that. And yeah. And now we're gonna make a triangle right in the ear. What? Right here. Yeah. And then do the same thing. And let's do the ears. And so we're almost done. We're gonna do a line like diagonal lines. So we're gonna do this, that, that. You're just gonna make like just a lot. And yeah. If you wanna decorate the tail, then that's fine. You can decorate if you want, but I'm gonna go ahead and decorate it. That. Alright, so now I decorated my tail. My tail looks great. Okay. So now we're done. Ah. I dropped the cap. Okay guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, if you enjoy, please click that like button. Please click that subscribe button down below. And then do the ones comment down, and then do the ones comment down below. Yeah, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.